Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but I'm feeling like somebody wants stability. See, the Three of Swords just tried to come out. Remember, I told y'all there's some type of third party where somebody needs to release an ex. I feel like this person from your past, Sagittarius, they broke your heart. They definitely did. See? Oh, Lord. I'm feeling like, first of all, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I'm still seeing it two ways, Sagittarius, because I'm feeling like for those of you who did let this person in the past go, you just been kind of doing your own thing. I'm seeing that stability is coming in. Things are going to improve for you. And you're realizing, you know what, that situation, like I told y'all before, is dead. I'm not moving forward with them. I'm just doing my own thing. You're going through your own transformation, you know, putting the work back into yourself. Now, still seeing the other way. I'm seeing this past person, right? They do want stability with you. They want things to improve, but they could also be going through some changes. Maybe they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a new chance with you. See? Somebody here is trying to stay positive. Look at that. Could be dealing with a Taurus, but I'm seeing somebody wants a commitment with you. Somebody wants marriage. Look at that. They want to balance things out. They do. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. Yeah, okay. All right, y'all. It's switched back. I'm telling you, this is the past person here. I know. Look, y'all, I tried, okay? I really tried. Like, who is this new person coming in? But it's still this past energy. They really want to work things out with you, but they know that they cause an imbalance because they were given to someone else. That's the problem. You know, and I'm seeing that they don't want you to look back at the past, but I'm seeing you guys are trying your best not to even worry about it anymore. You're wanting to just move on because you didn't see anything improving in that situation. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but I'm picking up like, honestly, y'all, this is your energy here where you're just tired of this person. They repeatedly kept hurting you, and you just really don't want to open up to them anymore. You know, this could be how they're feeling about you. Back and forth about, see what I'm saying? I'm telling, like, there's a third party here. And that's what I'm telling y'all, it's this past person. It's like they're needing to let go of an ex here. Or they're needing to release some type of third party, and it's like they know what they need to do, but they're not moving. It's like they're trying to transition out of that. Because see what I'm saying? Even the Nine of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. They're getting ready to free themselves from something. If they're stuck in a commitment, a marriage, they're getting ready to get out of it. I'm telling you. They're getting ready to. See, look, Two of Cups. It didn't jump out, but you see what I'm saying? It almost came out reverse. There's going to be a breakup. Somebody's getting out of a commitment, a relationship, a contract. Somebody's getting out of something. Yeah, but I'm seeing that this person feels like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. But I feel like you guys just aren't frustrated about, you know, the situation anymore. You're not worried about it. See, you let it go. You're like, you know what? Nope. It's not my call. I'm ready to move on. I'm ready to find new love. You know, I wanted to be with this person, but they've been playing games. I'm tired of waiting. I'm doing what I got to do, and I'm ready to meet someone new. Somebody could be dealing with the Capricorn here. Why's the Devil here? Lord. I'm going to tell y'all. So, when I saw the Devil, and I was going to say, you know, somebody dealing with a Capricorn, what tried to come out, somebody's dealing with the Devil, okay? I know that sounds bad, but listen, I more so feel like whoever your person is, Sagittarius, they are in something really toxic. I feel like the person that they're dealing with, whether it's a love interest, family, friends, whatever the situation is, that situation is toxic. It's very controlling because even the way the Three of Pentacles came out, I'm telling you, they're trying to get out of that situation. They are. But because of the fact that they kept entertaining this individual, other people, they're unsure if things are going to improve with you. That's why this person feels stuck. But see, look, they're coming back. They want to turn things around with you, Sagittarius. They do. They don't want to argue with you anymore. This person, I feel like they were battling themselves, kind of like that in and out energy a lot, but they're not doing that anymore. See, what did I just say? The fact that I'm seeing 2 5s here, I'm telling you, they were battling themselves. Because they're reversed, I'm telling you, they're not in that energy anymore. They already know who they want. They already know this. It's you. See, they want to come back and heal things with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here, but right now, they're trying to make a decision. Clarify, judgment, please. Look at that. But see, a decision has been made. They're hoping you can forgive them. They kept hurting you. That's why you guys are like, I'm done with the past. I want to move on. But see, this person, they're going to stop at nothing to come back and win your heart back. See? But they're unsure if you want this new start. But they're not going to give up. They're going to come back and try because, look, they want a commitment with you, Sagittarius. They do. Look, I'm telling you, they're going to give you this offer. And it is a secure offer. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But they have to remove themselves from this third-party situation. That's the problem. But they're confident about it. I'm telling you, this person isn't confused anymore, Sagittarius. They know what they need to do. But see, for some of you guys, this person is still moving really slow. I mean... Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. I feel like they're moving really slow. They're trying to really figure out how to come back into your life, how to make this right. Because if they don't do it right, it's possible that you guys are going to cut them off. You guys are coming up like the Queen of Swords. See? This person is afraid they're not going to have a victory with you, Sagittarius. Tell me more. Yeah. That's why they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But Spirit is saying they're not using their intuition right now. Because look at that. 10 of Cups and landing on top of soulmate. I'm telling you. They want wish fulfillment with you. I feel like this is something that can take place. And look, they want to talk to you about it. They want to tell you. But they're afraid that they're not going to have this new start. Some of them could be in some type of family situation. And they want to talk to you more about it. And this is why they feel like maybe you're not going to give them a chance. But see, they're coming out of being frustrated. And I'm seeing that they don't want you to cut them off at all. But see, they can't sleep. They're worried. They don't know what you're going to say. Tell me more. They feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. But they don't want you to walk away, Sagittarius. I'm telling you, this is why I keep saying, like, this person is not going to give up. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Pisces. Clarify the moon. Yeah. I'm telling you, they're listening to their intuition now because they're going to, look at that, they're going to run in, or rush in, excuse me. Because there's communication coming in, Sagittarius. They're going to tell you they want a new opportunity with you. Sagittarius, you could be dealing with another Sagittarius. Or this is just them basically feeling like you're not going to give them that chance because they didn't, make things right with you in the past. They didn't balance things out. But see, they learned their lesson. They're moving forward. They want to move things forward with you. But they're back and forth with the Ace of Pentacles. They're unsure if you're going to accept this offer from them or not. So I'm seeing that right now, even though they know what they want to do, they're just not taking this leap just yet. Tell me more. Yeah. They want to come back and give you a small offer. I feel like they definitely want to start things over with you. And I feel like they're wanting to do that because they're trying to get out of a situation with this ex, family member, whoever it is. Whoever is this third party or was in like this third party situation with your person. That's why they're like, I want to take things slow. I got to make sure I'm all the way out of that situation. If they were in a relationship, if they're married, if it's kids involved, court is involved, anything like that. They're wanting to make sure they have all their ducks lined up, ready to go. But in the meantime, it's like they know they have to quickly say something to you or it's over. Some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. And remember, they know you don't trust them. So that's another reason why they're like, okay, I have to really come back in and start this over. I have to start this friendship, with them to see if we can at least move things forward. I know I have to prove myself to Sagittarius. Or it could be vice versa if you're a cross watcher. Yeah, because see, they're making changes. In the past, your person was very sneaky. But see, right now, they're not happy. They're not happy with you not being in their life. See what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, it's like they're not putting in this work just yet, Sagittarius, because right now, I'm telling you, whoever they're dealing with, they have to get away from this person. They don't want to give this person any more money. They don't want to give this person any more time, effort, or energy. Nothing like that. And that's what I'm telling you. That's why that small offer is going to come in first, because they have to make sure they make the changes to clear out this other individual. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. What did I just say? Didn't I just say this? They have to free themselves from that individual. This is them being single. Them getting out of a situation. I told you. This is why. Come on, Spirit. Yes. Look, they have to, y'all should see my face. They have to free themselves from that person in order to give you the offer. Tell me more. Yeah. Some of them, I'm telling you, it could be a family situation, a home situation, but whatever it is, they're not happy with this other person. And they know if they don't move quickly, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have stability with you. See? Because, see, some of them are feeling stuck. I told y'all, this could be a family situation. They could be living with someone, but yeah, they're feeling stuck. But they're not confused. I'm telling y'all, they want to balance things out with you. They definitely do. But in order for that to happen, they have to let go of this past person. They have to let go of past behaviors. I'm telling you, that's why they're making changes right now, Sagittarius. Look at that. There you are. Some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I'm telling you, they look at y'all like a blessing. This person has a lot of passion for you. But that's why they're afraid that you're not going to take the Ace of Cups from them. They're afraid that because they didn't bring security into the situation with you before, that you're done with them. You're going to let them go. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but this was their lesson. That's why they're trying to really think about everything that they put you through. You know, they're thinking about what they did in the past. This person is wanting a future with you. Tell me more. Yep, look at the offer. I'm telling y'all, there's an offer coming in. But see, there's some type of tower moment that's going to take place first. It's a shakeup. Tell me more. Yeah. That's why they're moving slow. Because they want to rush in to say something to you, but they keep holding back. They're coming, Sagittarius. They're just taking their time. They're taking their time. Tell me more. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. They're going through their karma. That's why I said there's going to be some type of shakeup. Clarify justice. Let me see. For some of them, they are going to court. And that was the holdup. Some of them, like, that's what I was saying, like, some of them could be either, like, living with this person. Some of them could be married, and they're needing to get a divorce. Some of them could have children with someone or a child. And, you know, there's child support that's going to be involved. And that's why I'm picking up, like, court situation. And so this is why they were hesitating. They stayed in the situation longer than they were supposed to, because they were worried about their financial stability. Because, see, that's why they had you guys waiting. They were frustrated about their money. Now it's kind of like, let me do what I have to do because I'm not happy in this situation. And I feel like the universe intervened because they're like, you know what? You know what you're supposed to do, but you're taking a long time. You're taking too long. So I'm getting ready to shake some stuff up to get you moving. Yeah, this person is coming. See? Because now they made a decision. And they're confident about their decision. Some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer here. But I'm seeing that Sagittarius, this person is coming. They're coming to you. The thing is, right now, Spirit is saying they're not moving forward towards you just yet, because I feel like they're trying to heal. There's something that's taking place on their end with this other person, whether it's a love interest, family, friends, whoever. And I feel like they're coming out of feeling, what's the word I'm looking for? Like left out in the cold. They're coming out of feeling betrayed by this person, financially speaking, because somebody is trying to go after them. They're trying to take, I feel like, money from them. So that's why it's like a lot of them are focusing on their finances. They're trying to just make sure they have everything lined up before they come towards you, because they're not confused. They're coming.